In this NewsCaster AI review, I'm going to be showing you a product that can help you make news broadcasting sites in any niche. Make sure you stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if NewsCaster AI is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is 𝐒𝐿𝐴. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get NewsCaster AI at any time during this video, make sure you click the link down below which can give you my exclusive bonuses which you're gonna be getting in the members area right inside Warrior Plus. Now let me show you my bonuses. So these are the bonuses that you're gonna be getting. So the first bonus number 1 is the small SEO suit. Then the second bonus number 2 is Colors Hub, then Bugzilla ICO font template hub, and it goes till 8 bonuses, which is linked up. So you're gonna be getting all these bonuses if you end up buying through my link. Now let's get back to the sales page. So it says here, brand new next gen AI app, launch your self-updating news broadcasting sites in any niche, in any language in 60 seconds. So I like the fact that they are not claiming to make a lot of money using this website. All they are claiming is that they can be making these news broadcasting sites. So to understand this a little better, I'm going to be showing you a video explaining everything about NewsCaster AI, and after that I'm gonna be showing you a tutorial on how you can use NewsCaster AI to make news broadcasting sites in any niche. Hope you guys enjoyed that video explanation. Now I'm gonna be showing you the tutorial, and after you guys watch the tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you the different OTUs and upgrades.
These magic words are capable of stopping billions of people in their tracks to check the latest news or gossip. It happens every single day. For decades, people can't help but check the news, they follow it religiously. And it's not something new. Even in ancient Rome, people lined up in the market to hear the news. Today it's a $43 billion industry, and it grows bigger every single day. Companies like CNN, Bloomberg, Fox News, and more are dominating it and have a monopoly on who can enter it. Until now. You see, we created something that will forever change the news and publishing industry. We created the brand new next-gen AI app that generates hundreds of self-updating broadcasting news sites in any niche, in any language in next 60 seconds with just a click. Yes, you read that right, we create not one, not two, but hundreds of broadcasting news sites with a click. And we can do it in any niche: sports news, celebrity news, stock market, politics, anything really. We just enter a keyword, and that's it. We don't need to write a word ourselves, and we don't need to buy, install, or configure anything. All of that is done for us with the power of AI. But you know what's the coolest thing? These websites update themselves. Yes, you don't need to keep maintaining them or posting on them. No, none of that. They use the power of AI once again to keep them updated with the latest and most exciting news in your niche every single hour. It's a set and forget kind of deal. We set up our websites once, takes less than a minute, and then it keeps updating itself and making us money like this. But it gets even better. We don't sell anything to make this kind of money. Our app gives you multiple options for AI self-monetizing. So you will be getting results without selling anything. That's the power of AI, my friend. And NewsCaster AI does all of that for you and more. Hey, my name is Prunchu, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce to you NewsCaster AI, the world's first AI app that turns any keyword into hundreds of self-updating broadcasting news websites. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started with NewsCaster AI. Step 1, select. Pick the niche you like from our easy-to-use dashboard. Step 2, AI deploy. Let AI do all the work for you and give you a self-updating broadcasting news site in any niche you want. Step 3, monetize. Even that is done for us with AI. Without selling anything, we make money like this from each website. It doesn't matter if you are just starting out, or you are an experienced marketer. As long as you are aiming to make extra money online, NewsCaster AI works for affiliate marketers, CPA marketers, e-com store owners, book publishers, social media marketers, coaches and mentors, and anyone looking to create a passive side income online. By now you might be wondering how much it costs, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I can charge anything I want for it. I mean, it's making us a bit over $15,000 per month. So, as long as I'm charging you less than that, you're still making a profit. The thing is, if I decided to charge you $5,000 or even $1,000 for it, many people who really need won't be able to afford it. It's a huge commitment to pay thousands of dollars up front like that. And to be honest, I make enough money from using NewsCaster AI myself. I don't need to charge you all of that. So for a limited time only, you will get full access to NewsCaster AI for a small one-time fee, less than the price of a cup of coffee. However, that won't last long. I don't want to overload my servers and end up paying more and more fees. So I will have to limit the number of licenses I can offer. If you still see the buy button below, you're in luck. Go ahead and click on the button to get instant access. And with our 30 days money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. Pick your copy now. And if for any reason you didn't think NewsCaster AI was worth every penny, just send us an email and we will send you a refund instantly, no questions. We don't like to play games. So what you're waiting for, go ahead and pick up your copy now, and you will unlock bonuses worth over $2,486. What you're waiting for? Click on the button below and I will see you inside.
Before we jump into the OTUs and upgrades, let's have a look at the price of NewsCaster AI. So if you go to the sales page and if you scroll all the way down till here, you can see the price of NewsCaster AI is at $17, which is a one-time payment. You can add this button if you want, which can get you an AI accelerator bundle. So it is gonna cost you $9.97, which is also a one-time payment. But if you're not adding this, it will only cost you $17. Now if you want to get a discount, all you have to do is move your cursor to the outside, which will give you this pop-up. So you can use this coupon Visionize here to get a $3 off. So all you have to pay is like $15 now. Now these are the OTUs and upgrades. So you have got a total of 6 OTUs, and the first OTU is the unlimited version, which gives you unlimited broadcasting sites, unlimited businesses, unlimited custom demos, unlimited bandwidth. So all of these are the features that you're going to be getting. And the second OTU is the done for you, which is $77, and it gets you everything done for you. and the done for you package to sell high ticket offer. And the third OTO is an AI automation which will cost you $47, and these are the features that you're going to be getting. Then the fourth OTO, AI agency, $97 and all these features. Then the fifth OTO, AI reseller with all these features. You can have a look at them. And the last OTO, which is the sixth OTO, which is a white label, which will cost you $197. I hope you guys enjoyed this review of NewsCaster AI. If you want to check it out, make sure you click the link in the description, and I hope to see you on another review video.